To transfer cryptocurrencies from one platform to another, it's essential to note that not all platforms support direct transfers, particularly when dealing with both cryptocurrencies and stocks. The process involves moving cryptocurrencies from a platform that primarily handles cryptocurrencies to one that deals with both stocks and cryptocurrencies. The first step is to open the cryptocurrency app and select the cryptocurrency to be transferred, such as Ethereum. Then, click on the Send button and enter the amount to be transferred, followed by clicking Next. On the subsequent screen, the wallet address from the receiving platform must be pasted. To obtain this address, open the receiving platform's app, navigate to the Crypto tab, and search for the cryptocurrency to be received. After selecting the cryptocurrency, scroll down and click on the Receive button. Then click on the Copy Address button to copy the wallet address. Return to the sending app, paste the wallet address, and confirm the details, ensuring the wallet address and amount are correct. Once confirmed, click Confirm to initiate the transfer. Following these steps should successfully transfer the cryptocurrency from one platform to another.